deliberations begin later this. In fact, I just love the dance. So, two for you.
Iculo lona lithi nangu uJesu. Umfundisi uAlpheus Mpongose uzoqala ukufundisa encwadini kaTimotheo wokuqala.
The reason the radio format is still important in South Africa is that as a developing country, most of the people are still living in rural areas. And the only medium that can reach people in those places is radio.
And most of them, in every shack you go to, you'll find one thing, you'll find radio. You might not find TV or any other gadgets, but you will find radio. It's that one thing that even the poor have.
A person or a young man was heading the cattle, running around heading the cattle, chasing them, but he had his radio on his hand while heading the cattle on the field. So radio is so powerful, and there is a need of radio. People enjoy it.
The Trumpet of Zion, it's a program that gathered together original Zion music and a teaching of the Bible. The purpose of this is to teach the truth of God to these different people in Zion churches.
The Trumpet of Zion has got its own distinct format. And what I love about it starts with the music. It's like a trumpet calling, saying, now it's the time. It speaks to the Zion people. And if you follow the history of Zion in the country, they believe that God needs to be helped by other things. It could be ancestors or spirits or whatever. And when you come with such a program of the Trumpet of Zion, where they say that Jesus is the only way, believe in Christ and Christ alone without any other things. For me, that is very important and is very unique.
When the program, The Trumpet of Zion, came to us via ZEMA, we saw that we're getting something new, something unique, something which is designed specifically for a certain kind of audience. It's a known fact that in South Africa, Zionists will come together, worship, sing, dance, and do all of that, but there's no dedicated time to teach the word. Those that are producing Trumpet of Zion program realized this need, and then they design a program specifically for this. So my last word to ZEMA, I'd say carry on doing the good work you're doing, the kind of content you're bringing in, and thank you for realizing that there's a need. So carry on producing it. We want more of this. We want more of this.
God is doing great work because this is impacting different people in different places. Most of students we have now through the radio station, because they heard our teaching there, they want to join the classes like ZEP's Bible School. They are praising the Lord that their eyes are open, their minds are opened, or their lives are changed now because of these Bible teachings.